Hello my friends, Namaste. Cit Shakti Prakriya Pranayama. Cit Shakti is the spiritual energy. Chit means consciousness, awareness, wisdom, but the consciousness emanating everywhere, the consciousness emanating from the soul. Shakti means energy, power or force, and Kriya Prakriya means activity, ritual or action. So Cit Shakti Prakriya means an energy, consciousness, awakening, breathing technique. One of my favorite pranayamas with amazing benefits for health, mentally, physically, emotionally. You can release tension, emotional blockages. It opens up the energy system. You tap into the pranic field. You really energize your whole being. And so many more benefits. The technique is simple. With the inhalation, you bring the arms up, stretch them fully, and as you exhale, you push them down. Make fists. If you feel any pain in the shoulder, in the neck, in the back, you can also do it slightly. It's also fine. But the more benefit you get out if you really focus on the breath and all negative feelings out, and take all the new life, all the prana, take it with you to your heart, to your center. I'm just going to show you 10 breaths. Inhale. 10 breaths. Inhale fully, hold for 5 to 10 seconds. You can squeeze the perineum muscle, the mula bandha, and then slowly release. Place your hands on your knees. Find your own breathing rhythm. Feel the energy, the blood flow in your chest, in your arms, in your hands. Some tingling sensation in your fingers. Just observe and make the breathing more soft and calm. Also, I recommend you do 1, 2 or 3 rounds. Usually I start with 30 breaths, second round 30 breaths, last round 40 breaths. If you feel dizzy, any pain, just take it easy. Do 5 breaths, 10 breaths, that's also completely fine. Find your own space. And then after, important, we create a lot of heat, a lot of energy. Don't just start your day. No, let it settle. Let the mind come down. Focus on your breath. Make the breath more soft, more calm, till you come to a point where you let go of the breath completely. Then you get the most benefit out of the exercise. It takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes for the exercise to work fully. So if you just do the external, that's maybe nice. It is also a good way to energize yourself. But if you don't take your time to let everything settle for at least 5 minutes, then you don't get the most benefit out of it. I already released a video about this topic where I speak more in detail about the benefits, the precautions to take, and I guide you myself through a breathwork session and ending with a short meditation so that you can experience and later apply it in your own breathwork or meditation practice. Thanks for watching. Namaste.